Yo, what's up? Transport, Poppies Lane 1. Yes, very good. Very good. How you doing? All good?
Happy.
Take care. I wish you good luck, my friend. Thank you. Hello world, my name is Damian from TheMonkeys, and just at the back of me is the entrance to the Jalan Poppies Lane 1, and this is the main street in Kuta, and I'm just at the front of the Kuta Bergs, and I could say the life in this part of the Kuta, especially on the main street, is a little bit more alive. Even most of the restaurants are open, even the drivers are there, so here looks very positive. But let's see how it looks the Poppies Lane 1. That was the most popular little street in Kuta so far for about 3 or maybe even 4 decades. So while here is somehow, let's say, more alive, at least a little bit, let's see how is the main small street, Poppies Lane 1. That was the entrance to the Poppies Lane 1, but Poppies Lane 1 in general seems to be still quiet. At least some life at the front of the entrance to the Poppies Lane 1. It's something happening. This is the first time I see people trying to having a transport and stuff like this since 2 years. Hello, how you doing? So basically here where I'm working now, normally so many businesses on the left, on the right, everywhere, and supposed to be super extremely busy, like hard to even pass by because the motorbikes will walk and so many people and everybody will try to sell you something. I mean, if you have ever been in Bali, you're supposed to know that, the feeling and the vibe. Currently, as you saw, the main street next to Kuta beach seems really a little bit alive. Something is happening, but here, unfortunately, I have a feeling like it's gonna be exactly the same when I was here last time, like 3 or 4 months ago, when I showed you around. I hope so. It's not, as this will be more alive, but the feeling is like this, and seems like it's gonna be like that. The entrance was there, and seems like, yeah, I was right. Everything deep inside still seems just simply empty. No life here at all. I can hear my echo walking here and talking around, and well, here's supposed to be so many little shops, little warungs everywhere around. Well, look at this one. It's like literally, I could say, simply I could make a harsh reality of Bali without tourist part 4 here. It's just simply abandoned. Still here. Well, maybe I should record in the, on the other side where is the life, but this one was very popular street and many of you have a great memories here. Be careful, little doggo, how you doing? Anyway, well, this one, I don't know even it's open or not. People park around here. Supposed to be so many warungs. Nothing is open yet. Okay, first one here, some little clothes and some little bags. Hello. Just next to me is the PLN guy, electrician, Indonesian electrician. He gonna making some sort of fixing of these cables. Everyone are very always curious about these cables, how it's work. In Indonesia, I can only say as in India and in Bangladesh is worse. But Indonesia is not so far behind of them. So anyway, that's how it is. Not much actually, right? Here's supposed to be some little spa, beauty salon. Little doggo. Hello. It's actually nice doggo. Seems like not hungry at all. And yeah, Must Shine Hotel. I think this area is quite popular through the 3-star local Balinese own hotels, guest houses, hotels, also many tattoo shops and other attractions around. But well, this area is still not really alive. I think at the front is another YouTuber. He's making video, or maybe for the private collection. Empty. Totally empty. Here's supposed to be Brazilian Aussie barbecue. Here's some vlogging around. Also the YouTuber. Yo, what's up? I know you, I don't know you. Cheers, bro.
Man.
All right.
Funny.
Ah.
Go on.
What's your name?
I subscribe your channel, Uncle Chan Bali.
All right.
Yeah.
So we met together today in the empty Poppies Lane 1.
I've been doing this for 4 months now. Yeah, 4 months. I used to have a surfing stand down the beach.
Surfing stand on the beach,
Yeah,
but it's
now-
closed.
But now since first pandemic in Bali, until now, so I closed.
I hope so. You're gonna be successful on the YouTube, at least.
Alright,
Okay,
alright,
I have to
please,
go.
ahead.
Take care, my friend.
Somebody, thank you.
You will see yourself on YouTube next
I
day.
will, put it on, come on.
Here is the phone. Wonder is no, it doesn't work. Ah, it was dirty actually. I shouldn't touch it. Ah. Anyway, here is little bit skipyard, and here's supposed to be a Havana. In general, what I can say, this guy was having a surfer stand on the beach somewhere. It's no customer, so he decided to making a YouTube. I wish him really good luck. Good luck, brother. Meanwhile, this street looks terribly abandoned, guys. Terribly. Look at this one. This is actually the Kuta town apartments on the other side. I will walk little here. You can hear the sound of silence, if I can call like this. Sound of silence and only my heavy breath, because it's hard to breathe, obviously. Hot. And my step sound. And this bike here. Still no words, it's just simply very deserted here, right? Very deserted. Here is little corner. We're gonna go this direction, continuation to Gang Benasari. Here's supposed to be local warung. By the way, if you go by car, you have to go straight because this is too small to turn around here. And look how the street is small. I used to drive here, so you can see actually you go here and turn go there. I make a vlog there. It's really challenging. Anyway, small gang here. Now you know also why you better don't drive car here. Anyway, few local warungs here because obviously local people living deep inside, they have their own houses, so they have a small little warung selling like cigarettes, tea, simple things. And well, little temple and everything is so quiet. There is more dogs than people walking on the street. Seriously, like, look at this one. You can stay here. This is like a local guest house. I think 150 per mala, which is per night. Yeah. Welcome to cottage something. Looks pretty alright. Pretty alright. The name Lima Satu Cottages, and there are some people at least driving around. But this is exactly like it was. Look at this Vespa. Actually, pretty cool. This one. Yeah, little gangs, little local warungs. The people transform their clothes, accessories, little burger bars into local foods. Local house, some kids running around, motorbikes. Hello. Driving nicely, gently. Have to be careful how to walk here, but it's still very easier to compare to where I was busy actually. But when I was busy, it was more cozy vibe, because now it looks a little bit like you are working somewhere in the deserted town. And this is the Kuta town houses. Somebody have a yellow Vespa, and here's supposed to be super extremely busy also. So many people used to live in these apartments some time ago. Well, before the current thing. Here's supposed to be a Aussie Brazilian barbecue. Unfortunately, everything literally here it's closed and deserted. I've been deep inside. It's very scary and spooky. It's just simply nobody is here. It's just simply deserted, abandoned. You can name it whatever you want, whatever you feel, but yo. These people, they call me YouTuber. So they want to be on YouTube. People in Kuta are always happy and friendly. However, the situation here is like, look at this one behind me. It's like not really good, right? Not really optimistic. Let's see. Chichak art instruments. This is for one lady. She asked me about this place, and this is for you. It's closed. I'm so sorry about that. It's is just closed. Nobody is inside. I don't know. Nobody is even around. It's not as nobody is inside. Nobody is around on the streets. This guy only. That's it. Murals. So many murals like this. And here is the TV shop. Guys, what I can say is like really not so optimistic vibe here. I don't really understand why the main street is actually quite busy right now, but this one is like more local vibe. And well, because obviously, like somebody said, local vibe is for tourists, like international tourists, and local Indonesian domestic tourists, they don't need local vibe because this is like their neighborhood, so they want something what is Western or something what is fancy, something like that. This, I think, is natural way. Anyway, one more quick look. Everything is just a memory here. Here's supposed to be Piccolo Italia, a restaurant. And well, many people used to stay around there. Really, that was quite difficult to pass this street. Even driving a motorbike was hard. Driving a car was like almost any kind of taxi driver, local driver. Nobody will take you here by car, almost. That was like, nobody wanted to risk to stuck here. And now it's like, look at this one, it's like deserted. And this is the only one restaurant what is always open, never closed, they never give up. It's Santorini. Well, I don't know how they managing this, how they handle it. However, they always keep alive. So you want to be on YouTube or not? Okay, you are already. So the lovely lady from Santorini, I just got my Coke. She gonna subscribe my channel. I hope so.
TheMonkeys?
TheMonkeys, yeah. Thank you. All right, guys. Got some Coke. Taste thirsty. It's actually very hot. And well, what I can say, Poppies Lane 1, it is like this. I hope so you enjoy, because well, even it's not, maybe nothing is happening, maybe you could say it's empty, but that's the part of history actually right now. And well, I'm gonna get home. I don't hope so, it's not gonna be rain, still have to walk a little bit, it's very hot. If you ask about the time, it's about 3:30 p.m. during the weekday. Cheers, and as always, I will see you tomorrow. See ya, take care, guys.